Hello everyone, welcome back to Web2 app, and today I will show you how to track a package on UPS easily. This is useful when you want to know the exact delivery status and estimated arrival of your parcel. First of all, open the UPS website or mobile app and then go to the tracking section on the homepage. Now enter your tracking number, which you usually receive from your seller or in your order confirmation email. Once you enter it, click on track and you will see real-time updates like in transit, out of delivery or delivered. You can also view detailed tracking history including location updates and delivery attempts. And this is how you can track a package on UPS easily. If this video helped, follow us for more tips and tutorials.